We're trying to figure out how long it takes pump A and pump B to empty the pool. And it takes pump A 3 hours to empty it by himself. It takes pump B 2 hours, and this will be X. Now, the units here are hours, but it's asking the number of minutes. So I'll have to convert hours to minutes when I get done. So if I want to represent pump A working with another pump, you take the reciprocal of the time column. So that's going to be 1/3, 1/2, and 1 over X. Your equation always comes from the rate column. They're working together, so 1/3 plus 1/2 equals together. And our common denominator would be 6X. So that's going to be 2X plus 3X equals 6, and that's 5X equals 6, or X equals 6/5 hour. Now let's change that to minutes. So I've got 6/5 hour. I need to multiply this by some factor where hours will cancel. So hours needs to be in the bottom, and we need to go to minutes. Minutes needs to be in the top, and then do your fact. We got 60 minutes in 1 hour. So cancel, you're left with minutes. So you've basically got 6/5 times 60, and 5 will go into 60 12 times, and 6 times 12 is 72 minutes. So 72 is your answer.